The power adapter comes with 4 interchangeable international adapters and is compatible with both 110 and 240 volts. This adapter allows you to connect to the GemLightbox wherever your destination may be. Simply select the adapter that's compatible to the power socket in your country. You should hear a click sound once the adapter's inserted properly. The Pro comes with 2 additional add-on lights to help you bring out the true colour and sparkle in all your jewellery items. Sparkles brings out natural sparkles without damaging the nature of the stone. It is a direct light source designed to highlight natural fires and scintillation. Sparkles is your go-to neutral light setting configured at 5500K, used 90% of the time for gemstones and diamonds. Yellow is another add-on light that sits at 3500K and mimics a natural sunlight environment. This feature works best for rubies, emeralds, sapphires, opals, and any other stones that require yellow light to bring out their true colour. To use the add-on lights, simply connect it with one of the 3 designated lighting panels magnetically. Once you attach it, the light will automatically switch on. The smartphone stand is used to hold your smartphone steady when photographing your jewellery. The stand is adjustable and specifically manufactured for ease of use and accuracy, allowing you to capture all angles of your jewellery. To adjust, simply open up the smartphone stand and place the legs at the angle you wish. You can also adjust the height. Simply push the stand upwards or downwards. The necklace stand connects to the GemLightbox via the built-in magnetic system and is used to hang your necklaces and pendants. To set up the necklace stand, simply wrap your necklace onto the stand and attach it magnetically to the top of the GemLightbox. The T-bars are used to capture all types of earrings, including studs, dangle or drop earrings, and huggers. Simply place your earrings onto the appropriate T-bar and plug it into the necklace stand. Create images and videos that sell. GemLightbox Pro.